If your iPhone Air camera isn't working the way it should be, you can easily fix it to reset all camera settings back to its default or original state. So let's see 2 ways that you can do that. First, just open Settings, scroll down to Camera, and then scroll down to Preserve Settings. Now here, just in case if any option is turned on, simply turn off those settings or categories you want to reset to their original state. So once you exit and relaunch the app, all these settings will go back to their original form. Now, if that didn't help for you, lastly, since there is no separate reset option for the camera app and settings, just open your iPhone settings, go to General, scroll down till the end to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and from here, we're going to just select Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete any data. This will delete some customized settings, including all your camera settings. Just make sure you got your Wi-Fi password. If you're okay with that, just go perform a reset all settings on our iPhone Air. After the reset is complete, just open the camera app and it will launch just like the first time you used it right after setting up your iPhone Air. And that is the only legit way to reset camera settings on our iPhone Air. Thanks for watching.